I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
I see skies of blue and what's white. The brightness day, the dark secret night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky. I also the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry. I watch them grow. They love much more, and I'll never know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They really say, I love you.
I see babies cry. I watch them grow. They're much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Yes, I think to